There's many ways that chiropractors adjust the spine. An adjustment is a way of bringing balance to the nerves and the communication pathways in your body. And we focus on the spine because that's where the nerve pathways primarily run. But a lot of times a very gentle force is all that's needed to make that correction and to bring about balance in the nervous system. So a lot of the adjustments I do, the amount of pressure is equivalent of what you would put on your eyelid, on a closed eyelid, just that minimal amount of pressure, and that causes a release in the nerves. Sometimes we need to go in and do a deeper force, and there's a way to do that actually with some new technology, which looks scary, but it's very, very gentle. And it puts in a really fast impulse, a quick vibration into the nerves, and the nerves are primed to respond to speed. So the faster the impulse, the more it sends a signal up to your brain about what the correct position is for the joint to be in and to bring about that balance in the nervous system.